going, guys? My name is Miko and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, what I'm going to be teaching you is all about email.js, by which the functionality is that it acts like a mailer. Okay, so if ever that your user puts in an input, then you can receive an email, vice versa. He or she can also receive an email as well. So right now, let's just go to the basic that if ever that user simply inputs on your field, then you will be receiving that specific input from your default email as the admin. Okay, so let's now begin. So let's pull up my command prompt. Alright, let's change directory and create a folder called REACTJS email. Okay, REACTJ email. So let's do REACTJ email, and then let's do npm init react-app. So the installation will take some time, so let's be patient. I'm just going to be unpausing this video, and I'll be pausing it afterwards the installation of the package, which is the React. Alright, so please stay tuned. Okay, so we're now done installing the package. Let's now go into the pulling of the Visual Studio, and then I'm also going to be doing npm start. So yes, I trust the authors. By the way, I'm also pulling out the documentation here at the email.js.com. So I think I still need to install this. So I think let me just copy paste that and terminate this tab and just simply say no. So let me just simply install this first, the npm install email.js.com, and then let's now try to proceed to doing the npm start. So let's just remove that in there, and let's now go towards the src of our React Gmail, alright, or J-email, and then let's just remove the unnecessary. So app.test.js, index.css, then setup.js, then logo.svg. So let's remove that, and also just click on delete, and then in the app.js just remove the header, okay, and then remove the import logo, and then also in the app.css remove everything in here. Also in the index.js remove this, right, remove that, okay, and then once everything is good, I think you can see this. So let's now go to the app.js and then type in hello world. Alright, okay, so a while ago we've installed the what do you call this one, the email.js. So we also need to import that one. So in order for us to import this, we just need to copy paste this. Alright, so import email.js.com, and then let's see. Alright, so once we've imported that, okay, so everything is doing fine. So let's now go towards this and copy paste the full HTML form. Actually, this is the same form that I'm using, so I think this wouldn't confuse you if I change or replace the form into div and then remove the field set. This is also the form that I used in order for me to call this one to create the CRUD system. So number, I think the phone number is unnecessary, so we wouldn't be adding that. And each and every end of the input, let's just do a /, okay, and then tab index free, so IDs, context, emitting, and then color lib. Alrighty, everything is here now. Let's just save, and then let's go again to the code pen, and let's go now to the app.css and then paste the whole content in here. So if you just simply put this way, and then you can see this. So afterwards, let's go now to the React email.js. So in order for us to do that, let me just simply sign in first. So if you don't have an account, I advise you to create an account first before you proceed with this tutorial. So as you can see here, this is the template, and this is how it looks like. So let's just copy this functionality in here, But before I copy that, let me just go ahead into the app.js once more, and let's declare first everything, because in here should I say, not in here, but in here we have here toName, from name, and then the message. So let's declare all of those. So declare first. So I'm going to be declaring the first the toName. Okay, set to name. Okay, and then const. Let's do from name, set from name. Actually, let's not remove this. And then another const which says here the message. So set message. So after that, let's do use state, and after I click this or enter this, I will have the import of useState as well. So yep, then that's gonna be automatic, so don't need to bother doing that. So yep, everything is here. So let's now go towards the inside the input and create an onChange, an event, okay, that an event by which you're going to set to underscore name event dot target that value. So just need to copy paste this and do the same on to the next input, which is going to be the email. So just replace this but by this, and then do the same in the text area. Okay, just need to add this and just put here set message. Okay, so in this one, let's say on click. So we still didn't declare here const submit info. So let's do a function of assign. Actually, also need that. So let's do console.log in here, pertaining to the toName, to underscore name plus from underscore name plus message. So okay, so when we on click here the submit info, then it should pass this. So let's go back again here. So set to name is not defined. So why is it not defined? It's actually defined here, but the problem is it's set to name. Set to name. Okay, so let's just go inspect the elements and then type in Gerald Miko and then say tricore012@gmail.com and then the message. So in my console log, it should appear here. So yep, it appeared there. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to the documentation, this one. So just need to copy paste this up until this. Okay, so the then result. Okay, and put it in here inside. So instead of doing the form, because I'm not actually going to be using the form, so let's just remove this. Let's just do send, and then first to send this, we need to also go here onto the email template and check out this one, because we're gonna be using this to put in this. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna be email content. So in here, let's just replace this, place this, and we also need to replace the message in here by this. Instead of doing this, okay, let me just simply copy paste this, and this in here. So after I copy paste this, let me just simply replace this with the email content, and then let's now proceed on creating or getting our credentials. So I think my time would end, so let me just simply pause this video and be back. I'm back now, guys, and Yep, so let me just simply get everything. So for instance, I'll be going back to the email.js. So I need a service ID, so I just need to copy this. So I need the service ID in here, so I need to copy that. So also your template ID, so let's go towards the template, and in here is the template ID. So just go back again and copy paste this. So this is the template ID. In order for me to obtain my API, which is in here, just need to click the name, okay, and then copy paste the public API like this. And then let's now try to go towards, for example, this. So for example, here in the React app. So if I click on submit, it says okay. Okay, meaning to say that if the status is okay, then let's go back to their documentation. If their status is okay, meaning to say that successful, it's successful. Okay, so let's now go towards here to try for, actually, let me try another one, like reactgaming012@gmail.com. So let's say that, howdy, thank you for creating cool stuff. So if I submit that one, then if I go here on my email, for instance, in here on my email, so yeah, howdy, thank you for creating cool stuff. So I have it here. So yep, that's how you use the email.js. So I hope you'll learn something from this video, and see you soon. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye for now.